Good morning, students. So today we'll study about the question answers, long type question answers. Question first: what do you mean by democracy? Mention its various types. Meaning of democracy. The English word democracy comes from joining two Greek words demos and kratia. Although the actual meaning of demo is crowd, but in modern time its meaning is regarded to be public and the meaning of kratia is power. The meaning of democracy is power of public. According to the word meaning of the form of the system of According to the word meaning, in a form of a system of governance, democracy means administrative system which is based on the power of public. There are four types of democracy. First, political democracy. Second, social democracy. Third, economic democracy. And fourth, ethical democracy. Question number second. Democracy is considered to be a form of government, a theory of social organizations, and a way of living life. Evaluate the statement. The characteristics of democracy are: first, rule of the people. In the form of a government system, the democracy is the rule of the entire public. Second, rule established by the people. In a democracy, the public forms the government. Third, democracy is a source and not a means. A democracy is not regarded as the means, rather it is considered as a source. Democracy is responsible towards the people. In a democracy, the government system accepts the theory of sovereignty of people, and democracy is a developing system of governance. Till modern time, the democratic government system has gone through several stages. In the beginning, there was individualist democracy, which later changed into liberal democracy, and in the present time it has gained the form associated with the notion of the public welfare state. Third, what do you mean by the democratic form of government? Examine it critically. Kinds of democratic government. There are two major types of the entire socialistic democracy and the democracy system associated with it: direct or pure democracy, indirect or representative democracy. A. Direct democracy. In direct democracy, the public itself directly uses the governance power of the state. It decides about the various policies, forms laws, appoints administrative representatives, and can also remove them from their office. Indirect or representative democracy. In modern time, indirect or representative democracy is found in almost all the democratic states. In this, the public does not use the power of the governance directly, but instead it uses its power through its elected representatives. This is the answer of both the questions, the third question and the fourth question. Okay, students? Answer of both questions, the third question and the fourth question. Fourth question: differentiate between the direct and indirect democracy. I have told you this is the previous answer. The previous is the answer of both questions. Now mention the merits and demerits of the indirect democracy. Merits of democracy: increase in public welfare, efficient administration, source of public education, source of ethical education, education of patriotism, protection from revolts. Government based on the notion of equality and freedom, establishment of an independent and impartial judiciary, helpful in promoting art, literature, culture and science, or belief in the constitutionalism, a powerful government system, or supporter of world peace. The demerits of democracy: confusion regarding the democracy's assumption of an individual, neutrality of intellectual class, confusion in claiming of importance to education, confusion regarding democratic freedom and equality, side effects of political parties, irresponsible form of the government, wastage of public welfare and time, disinterested voters, a weak system of government in the time of emergency, or democracy does not support the world peace. Students, the remaining question answer we will study in the next chapter, next video. Thank you.